Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display Elementor header on bottom position, and when we scroll down the page then bottom header hide and display on top position like sticky header in our Elementor WordPress, and when we scroll up again bottom header show. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So this is our Elementor header. Now go to Elementor header. So this is our header we created, and then you see edit container section. So this is our main container, so click on it, and then you see layout style advanced. So we are going to add CSS class, so click on advanced, and then you see CSS classes. So we are going to add CSS class, and then we are going to add custom CSS, and after that we are going to add JavaScript code. Now you see CSS classes. Now add class name. So we added bottom hyphen header. Now you see, and then we added that index 999, and then click on publish. So we are going to display Elementor header on bottom position, and when we scroll down then Elementor header display on top position like sticky header, and when we scroll up then again Elementor header show on bottom position. So you can create header according to your requirement. So this is our current header. So we added CSS class, and if you want to change layout for mobile layout, then we are going to add custom CSS for mobile device like 767 pixel. So our header stay on top or like sticky header, not display on bottom section or bottom position in our mobile. So it's up to you. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section, and we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. After that we are going to add more custom CSS for mobile layout. Now you see bottom header, and then you see position fixed, bottom 0, left 0, width 100%. Now you see Z index 999, background color white. So we already added background color using Elementor container. Now you see box shadow transition, and then you see bottom header dot sticky, position fixed, top 0, height 100 pixel, left 0, width 100%, Z index 1000, greater than this. Now you see 999, but on sticky we added 1000, and then you see transition, and after that we are going to add JavaScript code. First click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page to check first. Now you see display header on bottom. Now you see when we scroll down you still see bottom header on bottom position. When we scroll up again you see. Now we are going to add JavaScript code. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type for your snippet. Now you see multiple options. So we are going to add JavaScript code. Now you see JavaScript snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title here, then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find all CSS and custom code in video description or in comment section. So this is our Java code. Now you see jQuery document.ready function, and then you see bottom header. So this is our CSS class we added in our container or header, and then you see scrolling down, and then you see class sticky, show the sticky header when we scroll down the page, and then you see scrolling up. So we are going to remove class sticky when we scroll up, and we are going to display bottom header again when we scroll up, scroll down, bottom header hide and sticky header show. When scroll up, sticky header hide, bottom header show. Now you see if else, and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert, location site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So we added custom CSS class, and then we added JavaScript code. So after that we are going to add custom CSS class for mobile. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So when page load, then bottom header display, now you see, and when we scroll down, now you see bottom header hide, top header show like sticky header. Scrolling down, now you see header still show. When we scroll up, again you see top header hide and bottom header show. Now you see scroll up, scroll down, again you see. So we added JavaScript code for this functionality. Now go to mobile layout, resize Chrome window, so click on it. So this is a mobile layout. Now expand, now you see. And when we scroll up, you see bottom header on mobile layout. When we scroll down, again you see top header. Again scroll up, now go to top position. Now you see bottom header for mobile layout. Now expand it again. And then we are going to add custom CSS for mobile layout. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now go to custom CSS again. And we are in additional CSS. So this CSS works for all devices, all screen sizes. Now we are going to add custom CSS for mobile devices. Now paste. And you will find all CSS and all custom code in video description or in comment section. One more thing, in bottom header.sticky, now you see hide. We are using 100 pixel. So we are going to remove it and then click on publish. So we added 100 pixel in bottom header sticky. Publish done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. I will show you. So when we scroll down, now you see sticky header cover whole width, whole screen. So that's why we added 100 pixel. So you can add pixel size according to requirement. Now back to code. Now again add. So we add height 100 pixel. Now you see media screen, maximum width 767 pixel. And then you see bottom header position fixed, bottom auto, top 0, height. We command. If you want, you can use it. And then you see Z index 999 for maximum width screen 767 pixel for mobile devices. And then you see bottom header sticky, position static, top auto. And then click on publish first. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Again you see bottom header on bottom position. On top you see sticky header. Now resize Chrome window again for mobile devices. Now you see sticky header on top. When we scroll down, sticky header right. But when we scroll up, now you see, but you don't see bottom header here. Now again expand. Now back to custom CSS. If we remove this, now you see bottom header.sticky, position static, top auto. Now remove and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. Now go to mobile device screen size. Now click on it. Now scroll up, scroll down. Now you see sticky header on mobile devices, maximum width screen 767 pixel. Now scroll up, scroll down. Now you see. Now expand it. Now paste again. Now you see we added again. So it's up to you. So you can use custom CSS for maximum width screen 767 according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.